Hello everyone. These last few weeks, I just get feedback time and time again about how wonderful and fantastic our associates are. You guys are incredible. You are on the front lines every single day, working tirelessly to serve our communities and our customers when they need us the most. And to show our deep gratitude, we will provide hourly associates with a bonus of $300 for full-time and $150 for part-time associates. This includes hourly associates in stores, manufacturing plants, distribution centers, call centers, and fill centers. We're also expanding our emergency leave guidelines. This is a situation none of us have ever been in. And at a time when our customers and our country truly need us, you are there every step of the way. None of this would be possible without each and every one of you working together as one. It's so inspiring. I can't thank you enough for your dedication to our customers and each other. You inspire me. It is so impressive. A huge thank you on behalf of the whole senior team and all our communities. Thank you.